Hi, this is Jennifer from the New Home Experts, and today I am out in the new community by Woodside Homes. It's called Vireo. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but I think it's Vireo. These are really cool. They're 2 and 3 story floor plans out here in Kestrel. I'm excited to show you around. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes here in Las Vegas, make sure to subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes here in Las Vegas. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. Okay, so now we're going to start here, and this is collection 1. This is the Acacia floor plan, just under 1,900 square feet. We've got this nice downstairs area. It is super cold today and windy. I love this little side courtyard. So the Acacia floor plan, this is 3-story. 2 to 3 bedrooms. It's a 2-car garage, and the base prices start in the high 500s. And again, though, these will be spec, so it'll be the completed homes. If you're familiar again with Obsidian, you've probably seen somewhat of this floor plan before. Here is your primary. I love the decor in here. Love the big windows. Good size shower. And just after Thanksgiving, so definitely use the exercise here. Going up the stairs to the 3rd level. And you've got, oh, hello, another large bedroom up here. And I love this. It wasn't freezing out. I promise you I'd go outside, but it's too cold. I'm feeling wimpy today. So again, this is the Acacia. Look at these views, you guys. Holy cow. Just amazing. These are some completed homes. We are going to take a walk through some completed homes as well. So let's go look at the other floor plan, which is the Sage, and that's 1,593 square feet. So we're going to take a look at that next. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at this floor plan, 1,593 square feet. This is the Sage. And I definitely remember this, something like this over at Obsidian. I love that 2-story ceiling. I love that. Nice and open. Again, this is smaller. 2 stories, 2 to 3 bedrooms, split 2-bay garage. Prices start in the low 500s, and again, that's a base price. But I definitely have always, I loved this model at Obsidian, and I love it over here too. Just really love that big open floor plan concept. You've got courtyard here. I really like this backsplash. That's really neat. And check this out. Love this loft. Open to below. Really nice. Love that front balcony. Look at that view again. I'm just so smitten with this view. I don't know what else to call it, but holy cow, it's just so pretty. And can't explain to you how freezing it is in here right now. Nice shower. And then back over here, you have another bathroom and a bedroom over here, also with a nice balcony. I love that they have all this outdoor opportunity to go stand outside because, again, you can just capture these amazing views. So these are the two in collection one, which is the Sage and Acacia. They have another one that's even smaller. It's the Aspen floor plan, which is 1441 square feet. They do not have that modeled. And there's actually not one in the field right now either for us to go take a look at. But let's go look at now collection two, which are the two larger floor plans. And again, this is good exercise today. And let's go take a look at those other two floor plans in collection two. Okay, so now we are leaving the Sage and we are now walking over to collection two. You can see how pretty that is. And there's a floor plan over here that actually they did not have at Obsidian. Let's go take a look at that one. That's called the Rowan, and it's 2,034 square feet, and it's their plan 6. For some reason, there is plan 1, 2, and 3, and then 5 and 6. I asked the sales agent why there's no plan 4. She had no answer for me, so I have no idea. They just don't have a plan 4. But you can see how pretty these are. And so let's go take a look at the Rowan. The Rowan. Okay. Oh wow, well this is my speed. Got a front room over here, exercise room. So this is going to be pretty big. This is over 2,000 square feet. And they do have this one as a completed model in the field as well. And something that the sales agent mentioned to me is that the prices here were originally over $700,000. They were just reduced all their inventory homes by $50,000. So this home, they do have completed options for the Rowan, and they have them priced now at about $630,000 to $640,000. And again, the original prices were pretty close to $700,000. This is really beautiful. I love how big and open this is. Feels really nice. I love that railing. And then here you have, oh, I like the wall too. That's your half bath here. And let's go take a look at the upstairs. Okay, here we go. Really like the railing. Okay. So you've got a bedroom here with its own bath. So ensuite. Wow, big washer and dryer. Holy cow, I love this room. This is the primary bedroom. Look at those windows. That's amazing. And here's your primary bath. What a beautiful home. There's your shower. And I love this. Okay, we're going to try to brave the outside just so I can show you some views. So over here is where they have the completed homes again that they just lowered $50,000. So obviously that's a huge incentive to get these sold. You see they go all the way up the street there. And here, I'll zoom in a little bit for you. There is the strip. So here we are out at Vireo. And there's one other floor plan that we're going to take a look at. Again, no plan 4, but we're going to go look at the plan 5, which is just over 1,800 square feet. So let's go look at that now. Okay, so now we are leaving the Rowan and we're going to go look at the Laurel. One thing I wanted to mention is the HOA is $89 per month, and the HOA for Summerlin is $55. It will not be gated, just to make note. And I think I mentioned earlier there's going to be 112 homes total. And right now, see, what they find if it wasn't so windy. The wind makes it cold. Now we're going to go take a look at the Laurel. And then once we finish up here, like I said, there's some homes that would be ready by the end of the year, which is pretty much in like the next 30 days. So if that's something that's of interest to you, then we're definitely going to show those at the end of this video. Okay, now we're at the Laurel. Okay. Here you've got a bowling set. Sure, that's not included, but let's see. Okay, so downstairs bedroom, that's nice. With its own bath. Very nice. Wow, look at this. Also really nice and open. Love the balcony. And this one, again, 1,845 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. And right now they have one starting, completed, not starting, completed at about $640,000. And those homes are ready now. So here they're not really doing dirt lots. Most of what's going to be built out here is going to be spec. Okay, so wash and dryer. Super cute bedroom. Love that it has its own bathroom. And then here is your primary. This is actually really spacious. Oh, and I love this. Walk-in closet. Ooh, another walk-in closet. Now we're talking, right? 2 walk-in closets. And then your primary bathroom over here. Ooh, I love having this vanity here. This is really pretty, like the shower. And then, let's see if we can get out here easily. And we can. Super pretty up here. And you can see these are the homes that are currently being built and will be available. And you can see some more up there. Looks like here are some additional lots that they're building out. Just don't want to drop my phone. And here's that strip again. So what we're going to do again is they're right over here. We're going to go take a look at something that would be available right away, so you can see what the finishes are out in the field versus, of course, the beautiful models. But let's go take a look at those now. It's nice when the wind stops blowing because now it's not so cold. So pretty up here. All right, let's go take a look out in the field. Okay, so now we are out in the field, and this is the main street. Is called Fleetwing. You can see behind me there was a guy riding his bike all the way up this hill earlier. Pretty impressive. So behind me, you can see these are the homes that would be available, and we're going to go take a look at a completed Laurel floor plan, which is priced at $625,000. That is all in, so all of your upgrades and everything. Again, 1,845 square feet. And let me turn the camera around so I can show you what these look like on the inside. So here you can see really pretty architecture. It goes all the way up the street. So we're going to go take a look at this one right here. And all of this is going to be landscaped by Summerlin. Across the street is going to be a KB 3-story community. We don't know the name yet. There we go. So you've got this downstairs courtyard. Go up the stairs. I love this railing. Okay, so here's your main living area. Super open. Great views from up here too. And then of course out the back. Love this backsplash. And you've got this balcony here. And it's a big balcony. And definitely you can sit out here and enjoy your coffee. Good morning. And then here's your secondary bedroom. And here's your primary. And I love, love, love that you've got another deck up here. Also a good size. Also a good size up here. Love the 2 closets. Can't go wrong with 2 closets. And again, this home is priced all in. A reduction of $50,000 at $625,000. They do have several that would be completed by the end of the year. And we'll go ahead and display some of them at the end of my tour here. And if there is something that is of interest to you, then definitely let's talk, because they certainly have a lot of opportunity to be purchasing here and get into something really soon, which a lot of times with new construction, we all know that you used to have to wait months at a time to get into a new construction home. But there are some great opportunities to be buying new, get a great rate from the builder, and in some cases, like the one we're talking about here right now, a $50,000 reduction in the price. This is pretty cool. Really neat. You get a sense of the views out here. So again, this is one of many that are going to be ready by the end of the year. So thank you so much for watching our tour today of Vireo by Woodside Homes. Again, make sure to subscribe to our channel and of course to like this video and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our current content on new homes here in Las Vegas. We'll see you next time.